Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I will be explaining to you guys how you can trap a soul in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First of all, trapping Skyrim is a way that you can harvest souls into soul gems, and you can use it pretty much on any living thing. Whether you can kill it or not is another topic. However, whatever you can kill, you can soul trap, and this does aggro things, so be careful with that. And once you soul trap something, if you kill it within the allotted time of the enchantment or spell, their soul will be added to a soul gem in your inventory if you have one available. You might not have one and then the soul will be wasted. However, yeah, you should have a soul gem. Either soul gems or the Star of Azura or the Black Star, whatever it is, you need one of those to actually trap a soul. However, the way you actually trap a soul is getting the soul trap spell, which is, I think, a novice conjuration spell. You can use it just as any other spell. You can target enemies with it, and once you kill them, you will be able to harvest their soul. The spell tome can be found pretty much at any magic vendor. I know Farengar in Dragon's Reach and Whiterun has one for certain for sale, so you can get it there. And another way is to actually use the soul trap enchantment. For this, you need to find a weapon with the soul trapping enchantment already on it and disenchant it. This will destroy the item, however, it will give you the enchantment, and then you can enchant any weapon you want with it, which is quite practical because if you attack consistently with it, this pretty much doesn't matter. When you kill it, you will get their soul. But yeah, you can enchant any piece of gear, any weapon with it, and once you actually kill the enemy, it will be trapped in a soul gem. Well, its soul will be trapped in a soul gem, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.